So this video, I'm going to show you how to use the bulk data in the spreadsheet and to quickly make content. In this case, we're going to do an IG carousel, but there's other ways you can do it as well. So first, we're going to start by opening up the template that we have in Canva, and then we're going to file and make a copy. I like working off a copy just because it keeps it clean, it keeps it separate, and that way we are not going to have any difficulties writing over or if we resize something. Okay, so the next thing is to go to your apps and then search Canva apps and just type bulk here and bulk create will come up. And then you can upload it from Sheets. I personally, let me move my image here. I personally like to enter the data manually. It gives you a little bit more control. So here we're going to add the text and let me go, and it's going to be this text here. So all of this for the carousel, and I'm just going to copy that and let me add column. Whoops, I deleted column when I meant to add it. So you just hit add text. We need, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need one more. Okay, and then delete the data that is in here. Oh, clear table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think we have too many, but let's go for it. And we're pasting the data in, and I know this is the hook. This is content 1, content 2, content 3, content 4, and this is your CTA. All right, so we are done, and now we are going to connect the data. So first we'll start with hook. The hook will go here, connect data, field hook. Okay, we're going to scroll down to the next one. Here is where it says slide 1 content. We're going to connect that to content. We're going to hit connect data, content 1. So that's now attached to something. And I'll show you what we're going to do with the headline in a minute. And then content 2, connect data, connect. All right, and I'm sure you're getting the hang of this now. So we're going to go to 3, connect data, and 4. And finally, this CTA, we'll put it there. And now we're going to hit continue. What it's going to do is generate 5 designs. So we're hitting generate 5 designs. And it was created, and now we can view it in our folder. So when we go to our project folder, bulk 1 will be where it is. And now you see it's 30 pages here. And our headline, our text, and everything is there. So if you want to make any adjustments, like it looks like the font size needs to be reduced, we can reduce that here. And then there we go.